Guys, an all-in-one charger for all your needs, coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back, and if you haven't stopped by here before, then please be sure to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today I am reviewing and unboxing the MinIX Neo P2 100 watt turbo 4-port GAN charger. But wait a minute, what the hell is GAN? Well, GAN stands for gallium nitride. Now, today's smartphones, tablets, laptops, etc. are all becoming based on this technology. The tech is quite new, but what it enables is semiconductors made with gallium nitride can be a lot smaller than their silicon counterparts. So that means you don't have to have massive power bricks anymore to power your devices. So that's good, right? So guys, as you well know, I usually buy all my own gear, and everything that I review pretty much on the channel is mine, bought with my own money. But from time to time, I am asked to review certain products, and this is actually one of the products that I've been asked to review by a company called MinIX. So big shout out to MinIX, and thank you for sending me this product to review. However, guys, as you well know, you'll always get a good, honest review. So whether I'm being asked to review it by somebody or whether I'm buying my own gear, you're always going to get an honest review from me. So guys, let's get this unboxed. So guys, here you have it in the box. Got a couple of different plugs, a European one, a UK one, which we're going to need here, and this is the device. Check it out. Look how small this is. It's tiny. This is light, small. I can't believe actually how small it is. I mean, really is. I mean, in comparison to a mobile phone, iPhone 11 Pro, look at it, it's tiny, it's like half the size. So yeah, first thing to say about it, mega small, mega light, mega portable. That's a lot of megas. So now for a few tech specs. This thing has got 100 watts output. That's powerful. For example, my MacBook Pro 16-inch, which has a fast processor, can't remember how fast it is, an i9 processor. It's got the upgraded GPU, it's got 32 gigs of RAM, and it's got 2 terabytes of hard drive, and that requires 96 watts. This provides 100 watts. So this will happily power your MacBook Pro. That's good. Here's the MacBook Pro charger. Here's the MinIX charger. Pretty cool. This can power one device. This can power 4 devices. And that's pretty cool. Just to give you an idea, this is a PC power supply, good old Dell laptop power supply. I mean, no comparison, right? So guys, as standard, this uses what MinIX call smart sharing. So you have two USB-A ports which deliver a maximum of 18 watts each, and you have two USB-C ports which deliver the full 100 watts each. So the takeaway message here is this is going to charge your phone, your tablet, your computer, pretty much everything you need. Another feature is dynamic detection. So depending on what you plug into these ports, whatever your device needs, this will dynamically allocate the right amount of power to those devices. So that kind of means that everything's getting safely charged, it's getting just enough power that it needs. You're not going to risk overcharging anything, you're not going to risk undercharging anything. Another tick in the box. The MinIX Neo P2 gallium nitride turbo 100 watt charger, a very powerful and capable device. Highly portable, no more having to carry multiple chargers around when you go on holiday, vacation, that is the same obviously, work, travel, whatever you're doing, no more carrying tons and tons of chargers. This thing is going to do it all. So guys, thanks ever so much for watching. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm going to be back with another video after testing this device. I'm going to charge up my iPhone, my iPad and my MacBook Pro all separately with this charger from flat. Then I'm going to charge them up using their respective chargers, and I'm going to see how this thing actually performs real time, and I'll be back with that video soon. Until then guys, thanks for watching and thanks to MinIX for sending me this device. If you like the video, please smash that like button, please click on the subscribe button, your support is so appreciated, and please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Until then guys, I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.